Hey guys, so what we got here is a 42-inch Canarm Mota ceiling fan in this trailer cottage we're renting. This is the same place that had the trailer we stayed in 2019 with the Canarm Catalyst 2. So, yeah. Anyways, this fan is on a remote. The remote is right here. Yeah. I'll just go turn on the switch. I have the light on the remote. Switch is right here. Here's the light. There we go. Yeah, so it's an LED light. And it's dimmable. Show that to you guys. I can actually control the remote from when it's right here, but I think I'm just gonna take it out so I could actually do a demo of it. Oh goodness me. Camera's getting shaky. Sorry about that. Anyway, here we go. There you go. Alright, yeah, I think that's full brightness. This is the power button for it. So if I do that, it goes off and then it comes on. So, yeah. Sorry for this video being shaky. I'm holding one arm. This phone camera gets really shaky. It seems pretty sensitive. But anyways, let's just begin the demo of the fan. Just turn the power off on the light and begin the demo. So it's 3 speeds. Speed 3 is low, speed 2 is medium, and speed 1 is high. So we're going to begin with low speed, which is speed 3. This fan does have a fast low. Could already feel air from it. Yeah. All right, well, speed 2, which is medium. Can already hear the wind noise from it. Starting to already feel a lot of air from it. All right, and now high speed, which is speed 1. Makes wind noise. So I noticed the canopy has a different design. I looked at it on the website, on Canarm's website. The canopy design looked different. I don't think this is any other brand. I think this is the Canarm Mota. I know some other Canarm fans has this canopy design, so it's possible that they just ended up using a different canopy, or maybe the website's picture is not correct and it has this canopy design. I don't know. Anyways, let's go under it, do an airflow. Yeah, this fan moves a lot of air. Yeah, it makes wind noise. It's interesting where it's installed, since it's pretty much installed off to the side of the living room. Because you look, that's the rest of the room there, and it's like it would be in the center there. I actually looked at a picture of another model of the trailer cottages here, and the fan was installed right here in this spot. Oh yeah, I don't know why they put it here, and there were no pot lights, and it was only just the fan light and the kitchen lights. So yeah. All right, let's do the fan and light. All right. All right, so now we'll turn it off. Not gonna do spin down, and I think the reverse switch is up there, but I don't think I'll be able to reach it. I'm sure, yeah, I think the reverse switch is up there somewhere, but I'm not gonna be able to reach it. So yeah, this is how the remote looks. It's the classic Canarm remote. I don't think they make it this way anymore. I saw a picture and it looks different now. Yeah. So yeah, the fan can actually be controlled with the remote just sitting here. You don't have to actually pick it up. Well, okay, it does stop fast, so it's quite a quick spin down. Oh well, we could have did spin down anyways, but alright. Well, anyways, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.